guys, welcome back, welcome back. My name is Gigi. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video, I brought you a 2-day clean motivation video. This video is gonna have me washing dishes, doing laundry, cook, and iron. So let's get to it. Alright, so what I was showing you guys was the OxyClean spray. I usually do that because I feel like around the colors and on the arm, the machine doesn't really get deep in there and get that clean. So that's what you see me doing here. I'll just be spraying those colors and underarms so that before I put them in the machine, so that I make sure that they come out really clean.
It's crazy how we started off so good. Hour with you vanished just like that. But now it feels like I've been trapped, and I can't believe how you don't see it now. Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good. So why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time. I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no, don't need you here to feel alright. I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight, but you only make it worse whenever you're around. 'Cause
Alright guys, so I decided to make some lemonade before I cook. That way it can get really cold in the fridge before we start eating dinner. I'm gonna use the pink lemonade powder, but I like to put real lime and lemon in there so it can taste like it's fresh. So this is what I'm gonna be doing here. I'll show you guys every step.
it's not enough, it's not enough. I don't need it, no, no, I don't need it. No, I don't need it. No, I don't need it. I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight, but you only make it worse whenever you're around. 'Cause I don't need it. No, I don't need it. No, don't need you here to feel alright. You always searching for a better thing, wanna replace me. I'm in a place that I've never been. It's worse and lonely, 'cause someone tell me they see good in me.
Alright, so once I'm done putting the juice in the fridge, I'm gonna start cooking. So what I'm showing you here, I'm using bell pepper, onion, the sausage links, hot dogs. And if you've seen my other cook video, is this what I'm showing you guys is the Haitian seasoning that I make. And then all the other seasoning in front of me, I'm using Creole seasoning, slap your mama, pollo, and salt, garlic powder, and of course spaghetti. So I like to cut the sausage in small little pieces when I'm cooking, and then cook and then I'm gonna be frying it in that pan. So I use this kind of oil when I'm cooking, and I'll put the sausage in there. And then once I'm done doing that, I'll let it fry a little bit so it can give it some color. But with that, I'm gonna put the Haitian seasoning. And in the next step, I'll be adding the tomato paste, so to give it some color. I like to do that just because, I don't know, it's just a Haitian thing. We put tomato paste on anything so it can kind of like give it color, because we don't like anything that looks too dry or too bland. So we put that on there, and then I'm gonna leave this thing to fry and cook. And then once I'm done, I'll add water to it. And then once that boil, I'll add the spaghetti. So you'll see all the steps that I do here, and just keep on watching.
Smoke to numb the pain of being lonely. Can someone tell me this is good in me? This good in me? Cause I got doubts, I got doubts.
I know you guys see me just pouring things and not measuring anything. I don't usually measure my seasoning when I'm putting it because I've been cooking for a while and I feel like I got to a point where I know the amount that I like and what my family like. So it's easy for me to just pour it. But you, whenever you're trying it or if you're trying it, you can definitely measure what you put in because you know what works for you and your family.
Cause I got doubts, yeah. Tell me that's good in me. Cause I got doubts, yeah. Tell me that's good in me. Cause I got doubts, yeah. Tell me that's good in me, yeah, yeah. Cause I got doubts, I got doubts. Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind.
So now that the sauce came to a boil, I'm gonna add the spaghetti on there. But when you add the spaghetti, don't forget to stir it so it's not stuck together. But because the sauce already have the oil and things like that, it's not gonna get stuck and become one like usual. So don't worry. When you drop it in there, just stir it once and then cover it for at least 10 minutes, and then you can come back, check it, and then by 15 minutes it should be fine. So right here is the 10 minutes. It was up. I wanted to stir it, and then I'm gonna be adding the onion at that point because I didn't want the onion to cook too much. So I'm gonna add the onion when it's almost ready. So I'm gonna cover it for 5 more minutes, then dinner is ready.
Life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya. Begging on my knees just to show ya. You're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do it.
Alright, you guys, so this is what it looks like when it was done. It is so delicious. I hope you guys try it, and if you do, I'm on Instagram. You can definitely tag me.
Your love, 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 put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms.
Alright guys, so this is the next day. As you can see here, I didn't do much the night before. Everything was left on the kitchen counter. Like I said, I was super tired that day and I didn't want to do much anymore. So we're gonna tackle them today. So I'm gonna show you guys around and we're gonna get started.
Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
thought you'd be so wild. Things are moving way too fast, why don't we slow down? Yeah, moving just like we used to. Baby, it's time to let loose now. Step back, deep breaths now, before things get out of control.
Alright guys, so I'm starting with the table first because I wanted to get to wash the table runner because it's been dirty. The kids been dropping things on it, and I know with the pattern you can't really see how dirty it is, but trust me, they have been dropping food and stuff on it. I wanted to get that washed, so by the time I'm done cleaning, every that can be done washing and dry. So I'm gonna take that time to also wipe down the table. I haven't wiped the legs down in a little while, so I'm gonna do that today and wipe down the chairs also. So it's not really like a deep cleaning video, but because I was at it, I just wanted to do it.
Got this bond, so let's face it, looking different now, so maybe this time things will work. I hope you really like me. I want it to be you and me. I wanna give it all to you. I can show you if you stick around, yeah. All I need is one night to change your mind. Wait until the morning before you get out of here, yeah. Baby, we need more time, yeah. More time to change our lives, yeah. We could be the greatest if you just give us a chance, yeah. Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, yeah, and have a good life? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, yeah, and have a good life?
Do you guys have a place in your house that you feel like every time you're cleaning, that's where you always start first? I don't know, some people like to start where it's not as messy. And I feel like for me, I always find myself starting in the kitchen first because that's the messiest place. And I feel like once that is clean, it feels like the house is almost there. So leave me a comment below and let me know where you like to start to clean first.
Wait until the morning before you get out of here, yeah. Baby, we need more time, yeah. More time to change our lives, yeah. We could be the greatest if you just give us a chance, yeah. Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, yeah, and have a good life? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, yeah, and have a good life?
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down in the night sky.
Alright y'all, so the video I was showing you guys before, I wanted to wipe down my fridge because it had looked really a hot mess and I really didn't want to deep clean it, so I'm gonna use the Clorox wipes to wipe all the shelf down. I usually do that often. Every time I'm gonna do grocery shopping, I usually wipe it down, but I feel like that day everything was really dirty. I don't know why. Don't judge me. I really don't know why, because I wipe it down every week when I do grocery shopping.
And as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe
fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27-8. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you're dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars.
What can I say any more than desire?
Alright, I was gonna go put the runner on the table, then I realized how wrinkled it looked. Since I was gonna be ironing my husband's shirts anyway, I decided to iron that first before I iron the shirts.
Someone cut your heart today. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not
Alright, you guys, so help me out. I've seen my other YouTube friends do this and I like it, so I wanted to try it. So if you made it this far to this video, go ahead and give me a crown because you're a real queen or king. But leave me a crown in the comment section, and so I know who's the real ones.
get these battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27-8. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. What can I do?
Alright, you guys, so I realized that I did not show you guys what I use to iron. I will leave all the products that I use on the description box below for you guys to check them out. The spray is my first time using that spray. The one I usually use, I didn't find it at the store, so I ended up going with this one. But I really love this one. As you can see here, I'm showing you a close-up of what I'm doing here, and you're gonna see once I spray it, I don't have to spray it again. It ironed the shirt perfectly. So I love this one, and I'm gonna leave the name for you guys in the description box, so don't forget to check that out.
Gonna get these battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27-8. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27-8. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it.
Alright, we are almost done. Finally, I get to fold the laundry, so I get to sit down, watch TV. I like to do that in the living room so that I can watch my show or watch YouTube, catch up on my friends' videos. So that's what I'll be doing here, and then I'm gonna put the clothes away and wrap up the video.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic.
guys, so this is it for the video. I hope you guys got all the motivation that you needed in this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, leave me a comment below and let me know what you like about the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and most of all and most importantly, do not forget the notification bell, because that's the only way that you know when I post a new one. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.